Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a quick unboxing of one of the Saint Martins I bought back in the big sale, the last big sale I had on AliExpress. Now, it arrived in an outer cardboard box and for some reason all of this stuff was in the outer box, not with the watch. Well, I guess it didn't fit in there, the hang tag and the user manual we won't use and stuff like that. So the watch I ordered is the SNO116 or Fun Fruit series. Now it's my first experience with this case. It seems like this is a good, like the one case Saint Martin use for everything right now. Just change the bezel and change the dial, and it's supposedly really good. And here we go. I haven't had an orange watch in a while, and this is very orange. So, a quick cut while I take off all the plastic wrapping. And there we go. Now a big thank you to Saint Martin. They have stopped, I don't know if they did it, but the little blue sticker. There's no little blue sticker. And as you can see, that is a very orange watch. This is my first experience with the case. This beads of rice bracelet that seems super well articulated. Really awesome. Let's put some specs in here. I do believe it's an NH35 powered watch, right? And really nice. That sapphire crystal has a nice little dome to it. Keep finding little bits of plastic. Let's see how is the bezel action. That is crisp. Nice how the second hand is matched to the minutes ring on the outside. That's really cool. Color matched date wheel. Looks actually better in reality than I thought it would. Nice little details. Now let's see how is this on the fly adjust clasp. This is my first experience with this on the fly adjustment clasp. Let's see how it works. Push down, move it, push down, press it back in, right? No, you only press it back in. That's really gonna be handy, isn't it? All in all, first impressions, it feels well made. It looks way better in reality than on any pictures I've seen of it. The build quality seems super nice. And all I have to do left to do is take off my van banner. That's pretty much always on wrist at the moment. Put this on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Now, plenty of links to spare. Looks to be a very good fit actually. Very nice case shape. Seems to hug the wrist nicely. A ton of spare links. All in all, a really cool little watch. And that's it. Review hopefully coming up in a couple of weeks or so. And that's it for now, guys. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Please stay safe and bye bye.